Hello everybody, this is Sabir here from WS Academy, and today this is my first video of my first course, which is Learn Photoshop as a Digital Compositor. So first of all, let me introduce myself, let me introduce the course to you people, and also who will be your instructor on this course. Okay, so I am Muhammad Sabir Shah, a graphics designer, and of having 9 years of working experience. I means that I'm working as a graphic designer from previous 9 years. So I work as a freelancer on different freelancing platforms, and I also work for many big projects for many big companies as a graphics designer, like poster designing for Spelunk, which is a Hollywood movie, and also I design many things for big companies. So what you will learn through this course, as you know, that the course name is Learn Photoshop as a Digital Compositor. So you can get an idea from that name that you will be a digital compositor if you go through this course. We will cover every single step of digital compositing in this course. We will start from the head and we will stop on the toe. So we will learn everything, we will cover everything which is important in digital compositing. We will start working from scratch. It means that we will start working from basics. We will start working some basic parts at what is important in digital compositing and what are necessary for digital compositing. So I cover that part. That first we will cover the basic part of Photoshop. Everything is in the interface. We will cover everything in the Photoshop first, and then we will step into the digital compositing. We will start working on projects. Second, we will cover the advanced techniques like masking advanced techniques like brush tool, advanced techniques, and many other techniques that are present in Photoshop. We will use it and we will go through it. And at last, we will do some great projects and some amazing projects. In many courses, there are only 2 to 3 projects, but we will cover about 4 to 5 projects. It will be big projects. It will be very interesting projects, and you will enjoy it. So in last, what's important for you? This is very important part. You should listen carefully. The program can be intimidating, but don't worry, I'm here to help. It will be confusing for you if you're a beginner, but don't worry. If you go to this course, you will learn every single step, and I hope at last you will be a pro designer. This course needs practice and patience, because if you are in a hurry that when I will be a great designer, so it come with the time. So don't worry, start practicing and be patient. Another important part that you work along with me. What I'm doing in the video, stop the video, go to your Photoshop, do it. This is very important part if you want to learn. Listening is the part of learning, but working and practicing, it is very important for learning process. If you didn't understand something, don't worry. We will go through many techniques again and again in this course, because as I said, basic techniques that we will go first. So we will go through those techniques again and again. The most important part that I'm using Photoshop CC 2017. If you're using Photoshop CSX, so there will be a bit difference in CSX and Creative Cloud version. So I'm using Photoshop CC 2017. It will be better that you use this one. Be with me and we will get it. What does it mean? Yeah, be with me. It means that follow me, follow every step of mine, practice it, and at last you will learn everything. You will be expert and using Photoshop as a digital compositor. So be with me and we will get it. So let's start our exciting journey together. I'm Sabir from WS Academy, and I'll see you in the next video.